Hi. This is Keel's Garage. Hey there, truck enthusiasts. Today, I'm going to show you the world's top 5 best hard folding truck bed covers. If you're looking to upgrade your truck with durability, style, and functionality, you're in the right place. These covers aren't just about protecting your cargo, they're about enhancing your truck's performance and aesthetics. From sleek designs to robust materials, each cover on this list has been carefully selected to meet your needs. Whether you're hauling equipment or hitting the road for a weekend adventure, these covers will ensure your cargo stays secure and your truck looks its best. So, without further ado, let's dive into our top picks. Check the link in the description below for more details and where to buy. Number 1. Real Truck BakFlip MX4 Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, the epitome of reliability and style for your Chevy/GMC Silverado/Sierra truck. Crafted in the USA with global materials, this cover is engineered specifically for models equipped with the Multi-Pro/Flex tailgate, ensuring a perfect fit for 2019 to 2024 models with a 5 feet 10 inches bed. The MX4 offers ultimate security with its robust aluminum panels that automatically latch when partially or fully closed, providing peace of mind with a fully locked position when your tailgate is shut. Its sleek matte finish not only looks sharp but also defends against scratches, marks, and UV damage, maintaining its premium appearance for years to come. One of the standout features is its versatility, allowing 100% bed access whether closed, folded up against the cab, or flipped up entirely, leaving your third brake light unobstructed. Enhanced perimeter seals and hardware upgrades further ensure weathertight protection, keeping your cargo safe from the elements. Additionally, a dual-action tailgate seal facilitates seamless operation whether the tailgate is open or closed. The Real Truck BakFlip MX4 is undoubtedly the best hard folding truck bed cover available, combining durability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal in one impressive package. For truck owners seeking a secure, stylish, and practical solution to protect their cargo, this tonneau cover stands as a testament to quality American craftsmanship and innovative design. Number 2. DNA Motoring New Upgrade Truck Bed Top Hard Solid Trifold Tonneau Cover, the optimal choice for enhancing your truck's functionality and style. Specifically designed for 14 to 18 Silverado and Sierra 1500 models, as well as 15 to 19 Silverado and Sierra 2500 HD 3500 HD with a 6.5-foot bed, this cover delivers unmatched durability and convenience. Installation is a breeze with included clamps, ensuring a snug fit that's adjustable for tension. Weighing under 70 pounds, it not only adds to your vehicle's aerodynamics, potentially saving on gas, but also boasts robust construction with black powder-coated aluminum and fiberglass reinforced plastic, complete with double-layer PVC and UV protection. Beyond its durability, this trifold tonneau cover enhances practicality with a locking strap to secure it while driving folded, and rubberized edges for a tight seal against the elements. It supports up to 375 pounds, ensuring stability and reliability for your cargo. The symmetrical shaft design and advanced sealing ensure 125% dust and snowproofing, making it ideal for extreme conditions. Plus, its extra coating prevents scratches and dents, maintaining a pristine appearance over time. Overall, the DNA Motoring Trifold Tonneau Cover stands out as the best hard folding truck bed cover with its blend of strength, ease of use, and protective features. Whether you're looking to streamline your truck's profile for better fuel efficiency or seeking robust protection for your cargo, this cover exceeds expectations. Upgrade your Silverado or Sierra today with a product designed to enhance both form and function seamlessly. Number 3. Discover Lowprofile Hard Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover, the best hard folding truck bed cover for your 2019 to 2024 Chevrolet Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500 with a 5.8-foot bed. Engineered for durability and style, this tonneau cover sits flush inside the truck bed, complementing the sleek lines of your vehicle while providing full access to stake pockets for added utility. Crafted to withstand the harshest elements, it features premium UV and cold-resistant materials, ensuring your cargo remains protected from moisture and dirt in any weather condition. One of the standout features of this cover is its unique clamping system and theft protection. The patent-pending rail and latch design allows for effortless one-finger release to open, securely locking when closed. The scratch-resistant hard panels not only deter theft but also support up to 500 pounds of distributed weight, making it practical for heavy-duty use. Installation is a breeze with no drill assembly that can be completed in minutes, thanks to the fully assembled cover and straightforward instructions provided. Remember to tighten all bolts and nuts securely before driving to ensure a snug fit and optimal performance. Backed by a reassuring 5-year warranty against defects, the Discover low-profile hard-folding truck bed tonneau cover offers peace of mind and reliable protection for your cargo. Should you require any replacements or have questions about installation, their dedicated customer service is ready to assist. For truck owners seeking a blend of functionality, durability, and ease of use, the Discover stands out as the ultimate choice in hard-folding tonneau covers. Number 4. Idro FRP Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover, the ultimate choice for those seeking the best hard-folding truck bed cover for their 2019 to 2024 Chevy Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500 new body style with a 5.8 feet bed. Engineered with precision, this cover fits flawlessly, featuring embedded clamps, a nylon strap, and a bulletproof wrench clamp for added security. It even comes with a complimentary LED light for enhanced visibility in low light conditions. Crafted from high-strength fiberglass panels, the Idro tonneau cover offers superior protection against rain, snow, and impact from debris, ensuring your cargo remains safe and dry. Installation is a breeze with no drilling required, thanks to detailed instructions that simplify the process. Just remove any cargo racks beforehand for a seamless setup. Built to last, the robust fiberglass panels can withstand heavy loads while the reinforced locking mechanism keeps your valuables secure during travel. Safety is paramount with clear instructions provided for installation and usage, ensuring all bolts are tightened before hitting the road. For a reliable, durable, and user-friendly hard trifold tonneau cover that enhances both the style and functionality of your truck, look no further than the Idro FRP Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover. It's the perfect companion for any adventure, offering unmatched durability and peace of mind wherever the road takes you. Number 5. KACAR Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover, the ultimate solution for enhancing your 2015 to 2024 Ford F-150 style-side 5.5-foot truck bed. Engineered to deliver both style and functionality, this 3-panel hard folding cover is designed with convenience in mind. It features a unique front opening mechanism and rear fold-up capability, ensuring easy access to your truck bed without compromising on security. The inclusion of bolt lock technology allows seamless integration with your ignition key, providing added peace of mind against theft. Installation is a breeze, taking less than 30 minutes without the need for tools or drilling, thanks to its innovative design that mounts inside the truck bed rails. This not only ensures a snug fit but also maintains a sleek, low-profile appearance that complements your Ford F-150's aesthetic. Crafted from durable materials, including fiberglass reinforced panels, the cover boasts exceptional resilience against dents, scratches, and UV damage, promising long-term durability even in harsh conditions. Beyond its robust build, KACAR stands behind their product with a 1-year customer service guarantee, ensuring reliability and satisfaction. Whether you're looking to protect your cargo or enhance the look of your truck, the KACAR Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover is undoubtedly a top contender for the title of Best Hard Folding Truck Bed Cover, offering a perfect blend of practicality, durability, and style for truck owners seeking premium quality and performance. In conclusion, selecting the best hard folding truck bed cover depends on your specific needs for durability, security, and ease of use. Each product we reviewed offers unique features that cater to different preferences and budgets, ensuring there's an ideal choice for everyone. Whether you prioritize weather resistance, sleek design, or versatility, these covers provide reliable protection for your truck bed. We hope this video has helped you in making an informed decision. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Share this video for more updates and stay tuned for future reviews and recommendations.